talking a little bit more about automations. CYPELUX also have something new related to automations. In the past version, we integrated here at CYPELUX some tools to introduce the lightning system with different automations. No, something similar. Uh, Very similar to that we saw at Cypefire, so linear distributions, rectangular distributions of these lights, even distribution by zones, so you can click in the zones and introduce it automatically, circular distributions, or even you can just open this menu here, and according to the type of zone, you can decide if you have or not lights, what kind of light. You can set here the parameters related to the height of the installation, the average maintained horizontal luminance that you want. So the software will distribute the lights to you automatically according to this value. And this is actually not new. We implemented that 3 months ago, 4 months ago, but actually this was available just for some types of lights, actually just for normal and internal and external lighting. And now in this version, we just finished the process of integrating this tool for everything. And now for emergency lighting, the system is also working. Okay. So just to show to you a little bit how it works, here we have a little building, the same building that we saw just at Cypefire. In this common area here, I already integrated some normal lighting. And let's integrate also some emergency lighting using, for example, this distribution by zone. By clicking here, there are some parameters. Here, select what kind of light, so internal, external, or in this case, emergency lighting. I'll select emergency lighting, and I'll get here from the library of lights that I have in this project. I just downloaded here from one of the manufacturers that is available in the software, but here you can also create your own library or generic elements if you want. So I select this guy here. That's going to be the type of lights. There are different ways to introduce it, different directions, for example, according to the model, the position. Here we also can set the alignment in X and Y, even defining how many lights you want, or you can use this button here and just say, I want to select one zone, for example, this main zone here, okay? And I will do automatic distribution considering a minimum of 600 lux, for example. And the software will decide to us if it's correct or not. For example, if this distribution of 20 per 6 with the model that we selected, we will have 662 lux. Okay, if we change it for let's imagine it's 700 and accept, the software will change the number for us, for example, 21 for 7, and now we have 811. So it's a little help that we have here to decide how much we really need. And you see that when we do that, we see the differences there in the model. Okay. Once we do that, we just have to confirm, and the software will introduce the lights for us. In this case, also for emergency lights. Okay. If we analyze, let's analyze just the zone to be faster. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, here. We'll have separated results for normal and emergency lights. Okay, so here we have a lot of lights here, but because they are mixed. But actually, if we just minimize some things here, look, let me show to you. The photometric rules are not here, but let's maintain it activated. But for example, we don't have external lights, but we have these emergency lights here and these internal lights here. Okay, so they're different, and we have both of them here. And for the results, here we also have, let me show to you the results here. Yeah, let's just open in a new window. Oh, sorry, here it's going to be easier. We'll have also different results for both of them. Okay, so contour plots, contour lines for normal and emergency lights if we want. Okay, according to the filters that we have here activated. Okay, of course, if we analyze everything, this one will also be analyzed, not just the zone that we did. It's going to be the whole building. And the generation that we have here, that is for the full building, also works for this this emergency lighting. The difference is that we have a second tab here that you set separately what's going to happen with emergency lighting, but you can set everything here and have your full model automatically develop introduced by the program. Okay, so again, more productivity in this case for introducing or modeling your lighting system, and same process that we saw at Cype Plumbing, Cype HVAC, Cype Fire, automation, a lot of automations, so you don't have to lose time modeling piece by piece, and remembering that everything that is modeled here is going to be used for something related in of an analysis, a calculation. It's not just a simple beam model with just nice geometry and normal information. No? We have always an analysis behind everything here. Okay. So that's it. Let's finish this first block regarding related to installations or related to M&E, MAP. Okay, so we covered, let me see here, one, two, three, nine, I think nine different features from different softwares, from plumbing to fire protection, energy analysis, HVAC, and also now lighting analysis. I think it was a very heterogeneous, a very complete block. Unfortunately, we don't have more time to see everything, but just remember that here in our website, you can see the whole list related to the features implemented in this version, and there are more things related to CYPELUX, some other things related to CypeFire that we couldn't cover, and even the possibility to send everything that was developed at Cype Plumbing to Revit and transform it into native Revit families. This is a new feature that we have in the plugin OpenBeam for Revit. Okay, so please feel free to come here and take a look on these new features also here. Let's close this first block and let's take a look a little bit in what we have in OpenBeam quantities, one feature that is available on OpenBeam quantities.